Baby, Tom is.
No, baby, me not try.
No, you didn't try to ticklish me.
No.
Daddy!
And this me look on.
Me cut.
The big scraper we have. So how this?
Yeah, but how is it? Alright, so we're at Juici Patties in Fort Lauderdale. Good morning. We've been up since 4 a.m. We're hungry and this place don't open until 9 a.m. See if this is some real juicy patties. Patties. These kids love patties too, so
Yeah.
Watch.
we shall see.
Somebody reach our door already.
Bombard. There's somebody at the door. Excuse
There's people
me.
out here in cars. Look.
Watch out, people pulling.
Them car line
People
up
pulling
already.
up there in their car. I want to see what the hype is because you know your girl is a food connoisseur. Okay.
Big back.
Big back. Yeah.
Big back. I'm in the big back.
Your car about big back.
Big back.
What?
Big back.
No one want back like Kai, my dear. Kai eats very clean. He'll indulge here and there, but
Fish with lettuce, tomato, cucumbers.
yes, my dear, me can't do it. Ladies, turn up on the way. Baby, if you come out before the lights start get long.
So me I send her.
Yes, I may send you going
Don't
there.
eat it then. You won't get stronger.
We'll make your presence felt.
Oh no. See, that's what you're gonna have to do today. Now your turn.
It's my turn.
It's your turn.
I've been chilling.
I just did the barrel and stuff.
Yes, he just did it. I was just thinking about that, how I didn't have to come out and do anything. I was very thankful.
Yeah, I had to lift the heavy barrel out. My back hurt. I had to deal with all the shipping invoice and everything.
And I didn't do any of it.
Yeah. So no, you can just go get some food, right? That's all. And that's some patty. Yes, baby.
Alright, so.
Can I go to the hotel?
We're gonna get some patties, and we're gonna head back home. You gonna come pick your sister up with me today?
So, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We'll be back. So while we're participating in big back activities,
Good look.
yeah.
Look at that. Oh my god.
The patties are
This-
there.
Yeah. Huh? How's going on? I haven't had a patty this good since last time I was in Jamaica.
The patty.
You could tell us them. Look, babe, squeeze that tonight. Something like that.
Oh, and it's a good thing that we came early because as soon as I went in there, people started lining up at the door.
I'll turn the AC
And the
up.
customer service is good. It's good too. Everybody is nice and friendly. You can tell say them who work there Jamaican though. You can definitely tell say Jamaican.
Oh, she get a sorrel.
I make it a sorrel drink.
But them the patty there.
We ate a patty from Walmart. Walmart.
Oh,
This is yours, mommy.
you taste the sorrel?
Yes, baby, sorrel. Here you go. We bought one of those Grace food patties from Walmart and we literally wanted to fight. We didn't want to fight babe because of him buy it.
Are you buy put in our fridge?
I mean, buy it in our
Yeah.
fridge. God, that reminds me.
So reverse that. Me didn't want to fight you, but through your woman, I'm gonna fight woman. You put that dry ass patty in the fridge. I wanted to fight somebody when I was done eating it. Grace need to do better than that.
Grace?
I don't know why. They representing Jamaica brand like that. But anybody who tastes that and think that that's how we make patty, they probably won't never eat no more patty from us. But this patty are from Juici. Oh my god.
They're doing it. Okay?
Yeah.
They're definitely doing
And they're
it.
gonna make a lot of money here too, cause
The Jamaican community is strong around this.
Yeah, but the parking lot already full before they even opened up. People at the door already.
Waiting.
Yeah, the door not stop swing. But damn, that patty was good. No more regret me eat that other something there. Should I leave? Yeah, it's alright. Me finish them up later.
And I made sure about extra because the deplorable condition of patties that we've been eating.
She went in there with $80 and came out with $10. So
yeah.
me have to look in that bag and see what she buy.
So, oh, the meat drop.
Oh, hot! Look now.
The meat drop was on my patty. But about 4 mild beef, 4 spicy beef, 4 cheese patty, 2 spicy chicken patty, and 2 cocoa bread.
Their patty is flick. Babe, describe the patty. Flaky on the outside. It's flaky on the outside.
Soft and gooey on the meat. Yeah.
Soft and gooey in the middle. Well
meat.
seasoned and a whole lot of meat. As you bite it, the meat just keep pouring out. And you gotta eat it like a Jamaican too, because when it's hot,
Hash meat with your mouth. Pull it with your mouth, my dear. But yeah.
I'm gonna hook up this GPS and we get on the road.
Because we gotta go. Anyways.
This portion of the video is brought to you by Shein Home, so let's do some summer refreshing cleaning. These pillowcases are over a year old and they are from Shein Home. So as you guys can see, I had a big candy bowl. I am trying to limit the amount of candy in the house, so I got a few vases, a few candy holders from Shein Home, and I got 2 different sets. I'm gonna show you guys the first set that I use because I really like the brown in the set and I like the cover of the set, and I'm trying to limit the amount of candy, not only for myself but also for the kids. But I got 2 sets, and the other set was super sturdy and super nice also. I went with these ones because these ones were smaller and the other ones that I got were bigger, and these are them.
They yammed the security board before I could even get a proper picture.
Cause we're the masters of our own fate. We're the captains of our own souls. So there's no need for us to hesitate. We're all alone, let's take control. And I was like, take off, take off. Take off all your clothes. Take off, take off. Take off all your clothes. Take off, take off. Take off all of your clothes. They say only the good die young. That just ain't right. Cause we're having too much fun. Too much fun tonight. Endless for life. Endless for life. Keeps us alive. Keeps us alive. Endless for life. Endless for life. Keeps us alive. Keeps us alive. Endless for life. Endless for life. Keeps us alive. Keeps us alive. Endless for life. Endless for life. Keeps us alive. Keeps us alive. Blue skies forever.
Cut the cake.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You don't want to blow your candle out?
Yes, I do.
Come.
You can blow your candle out, then you can open your gifts. So 4 years ago today, I had Mahlani. Her birth was super duper fast and I thought she was going to hit the floor, but she didn't. Her dad caught her and then the doctor got her, and she was so tiny. She had the biggest, longest toes and the biggest and longest fingers, and she was under 6 pounds. So with that being said, happy 4th birthday to our princess Mahlani. She is 4 going on 14th with her sassy personality and her mouth. And I can't even say nothing because I have a mouth on me. Her daddy had a mouth on him. So it comes with the territory. But with all of that being said, I hope you have an amazing 4th birthday. Mommy and daddy loves you, and I hope you got all your heart's desire.
Hey, dear Mahlani, happy birthday to you. How old are you too? How old are you now? How old are you now?
the day is officially done. It is 8:27. Mahlani had a beautiful birthday. Thank you to everybody that wished her a happy birthday. I appreciate it. This year I took it really simple, really easy. Last year I kind of stressed myself out, and I felt like I was about to have a nervous breakdown last year between Mahlani's birthday and Kai's birthday. This year I told myself I'm not doing that. I ordered her cake, ordered a few decorations, I got her a few gifts from Walmart when I went to go pick up her cake, and cooked some food, made a nice ratchet charcuterie board, chips and dips, drinks, and I called it a day, and all the kids got to enjoy. So with that being said, all the decorations and everything outside is cleaned up. The kids went to drop off their brother and sister, and now I'm going to lay my butt down. It's been a very long day because I woke up from 2 or 3 a.m. Scheduling content, planning content. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know if it's tomorrow. It's probably gonna be Wednesday, but I'll see y'all when I see y'all. So your girl is dyeing her hair. I have a hair appointment this week. Gotta get the roots because I'm getting braids. So yeah, I have 15 minutes more to let this process. If you guys are wondering, I use the high color highlights in copper, mixed with 40 volume developer. You can use 30 also. I didn't have any.
Strong man.
Let's let me turn on.
Why you up in the window?
Turn on the fan. Oh yeah.
You're breathing that shit in too.
The developer. I have 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. Yeah. Okay. I have 10 more minutes left. So, and then I'm going to put in my dye. Yes, I'm using a Chinese bowl for it. So this is Cajun spice, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of French cognac, and a little bit of blazing orange from Adore. I tend to mix my own colors because sometimes I'm trying to get 530, but sometimes this don't really come out the way I want it. If it don't come out the color I want, I have a few days so I can adjust it to my liking. But yeah.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Don't let somebody so I'm next up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fuck him, girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve it.
So happy Tuesday. I'm going to go get my hair done. Yes, this is how I'm going. Yeah.
Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Lay this song for him, just listen. Lay this song for him, just listen. You make me feel so private.
So we're making a pit stop. Baby's in a gas station getting something to drink, and I got a message from the person that's supposed to braid my hair that they are 30 minutes behind. I appreciate the heads up. I appreciate the message, but this is not a great first impressions. Let me not say first impressions because I've been here before. The only difference is the girl that normally did my hair before no longer works here. So this is a new person that's gonna do my hair. But I've been to the place before. But I hate when people do that. Because if you're running a business, especially where doing hair is concerned, my mom did hair for a very long time. So you are supposed to start on time and give yourself anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes of time to make sure you're finished with her head and you can prep for your next client. Well, that's at least how my mom used to do it. But these new age stylists, they just do whatever they want to do, and they be overbooking themselves and just can't finish a style in time or on time. But yeah, we are heading there. The GPS said we're 18 minutes out, so we'll give her 30 minutes before I go in there. And hopefully she don't take all day with my hair, because I'm just getting some micro cornrows, and I'll insert the inspo that I sent to her when I booked the style. But yeah, as you guys can see, I need to bleach my brows. My brows are still super dark and my hair is super red, so the contrast is not giving. But yeah, that's the little update. I'll see y'all when I get there.
Hey, girl said he keeps on playing games and his loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same.
It looks cute. Good morning. It's the next day. Today, girl got her hair done. I am trying to lighten my brows. However, I don't have any developer. The only developer I have is the one that comes with this. This used to be my brow tint. I used to use this this brow tint when my hair was brown, but it ain't working out. So I'm gonna try doing a bit of a concoction.
Give me late, baby, let's penetrate. Oh, baby.
And bleach. And call it a day.
You make me feel so private.
So let's wipe this off. It's not as blonde as I wanted it. I'm gonna have to do a second go around. So this has gone dry because this is made for skin tinting and not bleaching. This developer. I'm just gonna rehydrate this and do it again because my brows is not as light as I want them to be. I can still see dark hairs. I'm gonna do it in the opposite direction now though. So this will be the last of it. So see you again in another few minutes. This is a bit better. And because this is a tinting developer, I'm gonna use this with some, I'm gonna do this with a dollop of Adore Cajun Spice. I'm gonna mix both of them together and see if this tints my brows. All right. I'm gonna do my nails and my toes hopefully before these kids and their dad come back. So I gotta do it fast. I'm not doing it on camera. So I've had this on all day. I did my nails. This is how they look. This is how the brows look. They came out good. So we started out the week with going to Tasties in Miami. Then it was Mahlani's birthday and me decorating. Shout out to Shein home. If you have any summer home updates you're trying to do, definitely check out Shein home for all your needs and wants. And then we did our hair. The hair turned out really good. I did my brows on camera. I didn't do my nails. So we're going to wrap this vlog up. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.